Good afternoon, students. I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. Hello, students. I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. I will be teaching you history today. Today, subject is history, class 9. Class 9. History, Class 9, Chapter 3. Chapter name is India's Internal Challenges. The unrest in Punjab. Akali Dal, a major political party in Punjab, had passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution in 1973. It demanded that Chandigarh may be a part of Punjab. Punjabi speaking areas, parts in the other state to be included in Punjab. More Punjabis to be recruited to the Indian Army and greater means more autonomy be given to the state of Punjab. Akali Dal came to power in Punjab in 1977. Along with all demands, it asked for larger share of river waters to Punjab and status of holy city for Amritsar. Discontent in Punjab Khalistan movement. Bhindranwale was arrested in 1981 for the murder of Lala Jagat Narayan, a newspaper editor. This was the law and order situation in Punjab. So the president's rule was imposed in Punjab 1983. Bhindranwale went to stay at Akhal Takht within the Golden Temple at Amritsar, which was captured and fortified by his supporters. This disturbed the peace in Punjab. It was a major challenge to Indian democracy. In 1980, the movement of independent Khalistan took root in Punjab. During that period, the leader of the Akali Dal was Saint Harcharan Singh Longowal. He used to direct his activists from the Golden Temple to stage protests. Operation Blue Star. It was undertaken by Major Kuldeep Singh Brar on 3rd June 1984 to flush out terrorists. It was completed on the 6th June. Indian Army acted with great restraint. Bhindranwale and the other terrorists met with death. The main task of getting the terrorists out of the Golden Temple was entrusted to Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar on the morning of 3rd June 1984. The Operation Blue Star started. The operation ended on the 6th June. In this military operation, the Indian Army functioned with great restraint. The operation ended with the death of Bhindranwale and other terrorists. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against terrorists in the Golden Temple once more. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against the terrorists in the Golden Temple once more. It was called Operation Black Thunder. After this action was taken, the process of establishment of peace in Punjab picked up momentum. Issues concerning Northeast India. Northeast India consists of the 8 states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Sikkim or Tripura. International borders of India touch each of these states to varying extents. These states are different with respect to ethnicity, language, and cultural diversity. The first Prime Minister of independent India took the lead in bringing the tribes living in these areas into mainstream of the country. In 1954, he formed the Northeast Frontier Agency NEFA area comprising all the territories on the Sino-Indian border and the tribal areas toward the north of Assam. Under these causes and effects are international borders of India touch each of these states to varying extents. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had taken steps to bring these tribals into the mainstream of the country. He stressed the need to bring about their development while preserving their culture. In Schedule 6 of the Constitution of India, special provisions have been made in this regard. Mizoram was given status of Union Territory in 1972 and later of a full-fledged state in 1985 by Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Lal Denga became the Chief Minister of the state. MNF announced the emergency of independent Mizoram in March 1996. The rebellion was put down by Prime Minister Mrs. Gandhi. He demanded Great Mizoram as independent nation carved out of Tripura, Manipur and Mizo majority areas from the Lushai Hills. The government gave administrative autonomy to the Mizo majority areas of Lushai Hills after independence. Mizo leaders demanded autonomous Mizo province in 1954. Lal Denga established Mizo National Front MNF in 1961. In 1959, the territory of Mizoram experienced served drought during the famine. Mizo leaders Lal Denga served the common people a lot. In 1961, Lal Denga established an organization called Mizo National Front MNF. He asked for Greater Mizoram, an independent nation carved out of Tripura, Manipura and Mizo majority areas from the Lushai Hills. Nagaland. The Naga tribe in northeast India is known as a marital tribe. The Naga tribe had settled in eastern Himalayas, the Naga Hills border areas of Assam and Myanmar. In 1946, some educated Naga youth established an organization called Naga National Council NNC. They were led by Angami Japu Fizo in 1954. The NCC Naga National Council announced the establishment of an independent federation of Nagaland. In 1955, skirmishes happened between local Nagas and the soldiers of Assam Rifles. Military action was taken to suppress the skirmishes. Nagaland, they demanded an independent state of Nagaland. NNC announced establishment of an independent federation of Nagaland in 1955. Military action was taken to put down the rebellion. Nagaland was given the status of an union territory in 1956. It became a full-fledged state on 1st December 1963 by putting together the Naga majority territory and part of Tansing. Assam. Dominance of Bengalis in Assam led to intense agitation by all Assam students union and Assam Gangasram Parishad in 1983. Peace was established in Assam by following the democratic process. According to accord signed in 1985, the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, the Union Home Minister Shankarrao Chavan and Assamese leader Prafulla Kumar Mehanto, the infiltrated Bangladeshis were sent outside Assam. Prafulla Kumar Mehanto became the Chief Minister of Assam after the elections to the Legislative Assembly held in 1986. It was decided to send the Bangladeshi citizens who had infiltrated in Assam back to their original places. In 1986, elections were held for Assam Legislative Assembly and Prafulla Kumar Mohanto of the Assam Gana Parishad became the new chief minister due to this democratic process. It became possible to establish peace in Assam. Hope you all are okay. Have a good day. God bless you. Thank you.